Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs and soon to be money masters. Thank you for joining me on this page. And I think I know why you're here. I think you're seeking out to understand where you are in your financial journey. Do you understand how money works? How can I get to know what works with money and what doesn't? So I've created this simple assessment for you. I call it the Moneywise Assessment. What it will do is help you categorize yourself into one of four categories, either a financial newbie, a money apprentice, a prosperity navigator, or a wealth champion. The 10 questions I've put into this Moneywise assessment will allow you to score between 0 and 5 where you are, and in doing so, you'll determine where you fit within those four categories. And I think it will bring great awareness to you as to the steps you'll need to take from that point forward to gain confidence and certainty that you're on the right path and you're making progress. And here's what I know: everyone is on the path. No one is exempt from it. And even though some may be further along, they're still on a path of progression and improvement, always seeking more, always trying to understand things better. So start right here with this simple MoneyWise assessment. Fill in your information, download the assessment, figure out where you are on that path, and let's help you move forward.